Of course, we have covered, ARK or application recovery kit earlier, and it's a very interesting, thing there. Can you just go a bit more in detail and tell us, how do they work?
Yeah, so the application recovery kits that come with SIOS Lifekeeper, what they do is they provide application-specific intelligence, and they help us to automate the configuration process as well. So, for example, with the HANA ARK, one of the things that we'll do during configuration is we'll actually find the HANA instance, and we will present you with the instance, and then during the configuration steps, we're making sure that the input that we get from the user is consistent with what we find on the system itself. Our SAP ARK, for example, it's intelligent enough to know that ERS and ASCS should be hosted on separate nodes. And so wherever possible, it tries to host those components on separate nodes. One of the things that open source HA doesn't provide is it doesn't provide this kind of intelligence or this kind of configuration check. And we actually find customers that have attempted to use open source and run into all kinds of configuration issues just because there's no validation of the input. We also have another application recovery kit that we call the generic application recovery kit. And what this really does is this allows a customer to use SIOS Lifekeeper and to provide a start, stop, and check scripts for virtually any application that you could imagine. And so even though we support ARKs for the top applications, we also can support any kind of application that you would want to run.